All right, here we are, part two. So behind this module of the home here, you can see through the window actually of the living room. The first module is set on the 8-foot foundation basement already. So of course, as always, this is Nicholas with Homes of Fredonia, and today we are in Silver Creek, New York. The crane is way up there, and here we go, lift off on the second module of this home. So they're gonna get it up a little bit here, and then they kind of pause, check everything underneath, make sure everything's good. They actually got to yank some stuff off of there, and then it's going to fly the rest of the way. So you can see we've got all the vehicles down the road here. And this was an interesting one because we had to, you can see the end of the street way down there. So because of the way this had to come out of the lot, this home had to be backed up the entire way down the street. But you know, the foreman who does this here is just really good at what he does, and backed it the whole way down the street, and then had to back it onto the site, and as far as we could get it, to be able to avoid these wires here. So they're going to be really careful here. So as much as this looks like some grunt work, it is very detailed, intricate work. And you can see the home kind of swaying back and forth now. All right, so here it goes. And so you can see actually how they ship everything inside these houses. So there's all the siding and everything in there. So once they get the home craned on, they're going to take all that out of there. And then in the portion of the home to the right, all the shingles were in there, and I helped them unload those today. And you can see a couple of short videos I'm going to post along with this, and hear me winded in those videos helping these guys. You know, they make it look easy, but this is super hard work that these guys do. So here we go. It is swinging around. Go right over here.
You're good.
And so you can see the other module on the foundation, so they have to completely swing this one around. And you can see how the roof is laid flat right now, and you can see the knee wall in there. See that? So that's gonna, so the crane's gonna lift this roof up to its peak, and then that knee wall, the guys get up there, they pull that knee wall out, and that supports the roof. So super cool. And you can see on this foundation here how it's a staggered foundation. So you've got the recessed entryway. So the foundation needs to match that recessed entryway. So you can see how they do that there. And so the site is so muddy, which is why I'm not walking around it right now. It's just super deep, and I need to focus on filming here. And I could actually probably trip and fall on my face in this, and then ruin the video for you guys. So I don't want to do that. And you can see all the extra parts and pieces here that go with the home. And so you've got the end caps. So once the home gets lifted to its peak, the roof, those end caps are going to go on and seal off the sides of the homes. And then the entire thing gets sided. And I noticed this home actually is lacking siding on the front here. So there must be some custom option going on with this house to where it was ordered where the siding's usually only off the sides of the home, but this one, it is off the entire house. So assuming it's some custom siding here. And so our foreman's going to get up inside the home, and he's going to actually go inside it and signal to the crane operator and ensure that the center marriage line of the home is lining up correctly. And so that's how it usually is going to touch down, is the outer wall is going to touch down first, and then they're going to hook a winch up to the center there on the end and get it pulled together real slowly to make sure everything is lining up on both corners of the home. So really cool job, and that's about it. So they're just going to shimmy it the rest of the way down there. And they did a great job with the site. You can see how buried the carrier is here on this site. It is just a muddy mess. So going to take a lot of cleanup work to get this site looking pretty for the homeowner after they are done here. So you can see the top roof here. It's not quite aligned yet, but it is getting there. You can see it slowly coming down. And that's the gist of it. So they're just going to take it really slow and get it the rest of the way down. Yep, you can see it sliding down there. It's getting close. Just notice a real nice shed in the back that the homeowner has back here. That's nice. And you can see all that backfill behind the excavator there. And so that goes back down after the home is set. And everything comes inside the home. There's going to be some nice lights here on either side of the entryway. And they went with some black lineals around the windows. So I imagine that has something to do with the custom option here with the siding. And underneath this piece of end cap here is a huge stack of shingles that I was saying I helped carry out of the house. So you can see a lot of the roof comes shingled, but then they're going to pull it to a peak and shingle the rest of it. So yeah, shingles, roofing, siding, exterior lights, backfill, and then the inside of the home is going to get all the drywall work done, and they're going to finish all that off, do the whole marriage line, blend it all in, and you got yourself a beautiful home once this is complete. And obviously a super fast option if you're looking to get into a home quickly. You know, I mean, it only takes a couple weeks of solid continuous work to get this home finished inside and out. So usually total move-in is only a month or two to get people inside their home after set day. And if you're ever curious about something like this, I think you'd be really surprised what you can get into one of these homes for and do a project like this for yourself. And Homes of Fredonia is a turnkey home builder. So head to toe, everything on the site, all the utilities, the foundation, the home itself, all the finish work, you know, beginning to end, the steps and decks afterwards, a garage if you need a garage. Homes of Fredonia can do everything. And the consultants make it really easy to just go into the office in Fredonia at 3752 East Main Road in Fredonia. There's over $2 million in homes on display. There's over a dozen homes on display for you, your family, your friends to go walk through at Homes of Fredonia and check it out, and just get the tools from a consultant on, you know, what it takes to actually build a home, just so that you are set up if you do want to build one day. You know, what is the total price? What's the monthly payments? What's the timeline? How does the home design work? Which is what a lot of people think about, is the home design. People think that's going to be really stressful, but I can assure you that the manufacturers that build these homes, they really provide the office with really good guidelines for clients to work within, so that you're not overwhelmed during the home design process. Believe me, anybody can design one of these homes. So give the office a call. I mean, they can even do a consultation over the phone before you go in and tour the homes. 716-673-1366. And like I said, they make it really easy to get information. So I'm probably going to cut it there. That's about where it's going to end. They're just getting it the rest of the way down in the center and winching it together. You can hear the crane kind of setting it down. And there it goes. It's sliding into place right there. And there it is. So as always, thanks for watching. And make sure you check out part 1 of the video. There's actually going to be 3 videos coming out on this, and a few short form videos as well of kind of in the making. So thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.